A good speaker makes absolute sure that the audience is paying attention. Now, speaking of, Poppy! And you failed. Now I say that you failed because I'm not just talking about speaking efficiently. We're also talking about listening efficiently. Now, even though I had total control over what you were looking at in this video, you should still be paying attention to the speaker, even if they're not doing so good on their side. Come on, get a hold of yourself. Hey buddy, are you gonna listen to me or not? No. Even though you might not actually explode if you're not listening to someone, you might make someone's temper explode. If you aren't listening to major parts of a story, and someone might get really angry that you're not paying attention to what they're saying. And that's not very nice.